Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a website using Canva, the full 2026 guide. Yeah, it's actually super simple and you don't need any coding or fancy tools. First, go ahead and sign in to your Canva account. If you don't have one, you can quickly create it using your email or Google account. It only takes a few seconds. Next, click on Templates and search for Web Site. You'll see a bunch of pre-designed website templates. Just pick one that fits your style. This makes it really easy to get started without designing from scratch. Now comes the fun part, customization. You can edit text, change images, swap colors, or add sections like galleries, contact forms, and more. Just click on anything you want to edit, and Canva makes it super intuitive. Finally, once you're happy with the look, click on Preview to see how your website will appear on desktop and mobile. Then hit Publish, choose a free Canva domain, or connect your own, and boom, your website is live. Yeah, it's that easy. And that's it. You now know how to create a fully functional website with Canva in just a few minutes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and yeah, check out more tutorials on the channel. All right, see you next time.